Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions by setting a lock date on Xero. This is an essential feature that helps protect your financial records from accidental or unauthorized changes, ensuring your books remain accurate and compliant. First, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields where you need to enter your Xero account credentials. Type in your email address and password, then click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges, as only administrators can modify lock date settings. After you've logged in successfully, look for the accounting option in the main menu. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Accounting Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can configure various accounting-related settings for your organization. Once you're on the Account Settings page, locate and click on Financial Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your financial data management. Now that you're in the Financial Settings section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Lock Dates. This section is specifically designed to help you protect your transaction data by preventing changes to records before a certain date. It's a critical tool for maintaining the integrity of your financial information, especially after you've completed reporting for a specific period. Under the Lock Date heading, you'll see a field where you can choose the date you want to lock transactions up to. Click on this field and select the appropriate date from the calendar that appears. Any transactions on or before this date will be locked and protected from editing. Below this, you'll notice an option that says Stop all users making changes on or before. If you select this option, it will prevent all users from making any modifications to transactions on or before your chosen lock date. Keep in mind that this option excludes advisors from making any changes as well, so they too will be restricted. Just below that, you'll find another lock field. This option allows you to lock changes for any type of users, giving you more granular control over who can modify locked transactions. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain different levels of access for different team members or user types within your organization. Once you've configured your lock date settings exactly how you need them, make sure to click the Save button to apply the lock date. Your settings will now be active and your transaction data will be protected according to the parameters you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully set up transaction lock dates in Xero, adding an important layer of security to your financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.